Tom slowly began to remove the bandage over his toe. अब जो टो मतलब जो उसका टो पे जो बैंडेज करके दिखा है, अब उसको धीरे धीरे देखना चला जा.
Good morning, class 7. So today we are going to start with the question answer part of the three visions of India. So yesterday we have started with this lesson. I have explained you the whole of the lesson, the three visions for India, and I hope that all of you have understood that. So now we'll come to the comprehension part. So write down all of you. Question number 1. Why have we not conquered anybody? Why have we not conquered anybody? So you have to write the question yourself. I will send the answers only. So we have not conquered anyone because we respect the freedom. Because we respect the freedom. So the first answer is we have not conquered anyone because we respect the freedom. Now second question is, what is the writer's first vision for India? What was the writer's first vision? The writer's first vision for India is to protect, to nurture and to build on our freedom. So no one will respect us if we are not free. So we have to stand up and respect ourselves. Why must India stand up to the world? So why do you think that India must stand up to the world? Why it is the need? India must stand up to the world because no one will respect us unless we stand up to the world to defend ourselves. क्योंकि हमें खुद खड़े होना पड़ेगा अपने लिए, अपने आप को डिफेंड करने के लिए. अगर हम खुद को डिफेंड नहीं करेंगे तो लोग हमारी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. So that is why we have to stand up to the world. So which inspiring incident has been described by the writer when he was in Tel Aviv? What does this incident show? So yesterday we have read in this lesson, here it was written here that I was in Tel Aviv. So yesterday he was telling about the incident that he was in Tel Aviv. It shows that the media plays an important role in influencing the minds of people. उन्होंने बताया था कि वो इज़राइल न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे थे and where the war has broken out and there were a lot of attacks, there were a lot of bombardments, death, and Hamas has also struck. And I told you yesterday about the Hamas. It's an Arabic word and it's a type of a revolution. So but the front page of the newspaper, in spite of the war was going on the front page of the newspaper they had a picture of Jewish gentleman who in the 5 years had transformed his desert land into an orchard farm and granary. So this shows that how the media, what role does the media play in the lives of the people of a nation? So how can it affect? So here this incident in Tel Aviv shows that media plays an important role in influencing, please check the spellings, there should be no spelling mistakes, the minds of the people. Just one positive picture on the front page can wash out all the negativity and inspire the people with positive thoughts and optimism. Means despite of war going on, deaths and bombardments going on, still on the front page of the Jewish newspaper there was a picture of a Jewish gentleman about his achievement. There was no news about that war. The war news, all the gory details were written on the next pages with the other news. So this shows that the media of that country plays a very important role and it affects the minds of the people in a positive way. So just one positive picture on the front page can wash out all the negativity and inspire the people with positive thoughts and optimism. Now, this last question. Self-respect comes with self-reliance. So, do you agree with the statement? कि self-respect जो है वो self-reliance के साथ ही आती है. Do you agree with the statement? What do you say? Yes, I agree with the statement that self-respect comes with the self-reliance. Because self-reliance is the ability to depend upon yourself to get things done and meet your own needs. So when you become self-reliant, you start believing in yourself and becomes independent. So it is very much important to be self-reliant. क्योंकि जब आप self-reliant होते हैं तो आपको किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, आप अपने काम खुद कर लेते हैं. You are independent, you are dependent on yourself. You don't need to take help from others. So this is a very important quality in your personality, and if all the people becomes self-reliant, and if our nation becomes self-reliant, so everybody will respect us, because self-respect starts with yourself. You will respect yourself, only then the nation will do. So that is why it is very much true that self-respect comes with the self-reliance, because self-reliance is the ability to depend on yourself to get things done and meet your own needs. So when you become self-reliant, you start believing in yourself and becomes independent. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. You can write the word meanings also. I am sending you this picture. 3 visions for India vocabulary. These are the extra word meanings, right? Insight, deep understanding, aspects, features, invaded, conquered. There should be no spelling mistakes, class. Illustrious, well known or respected. Recognition, identifying something. Fascinated, strongly attracted, eventually, in the end. Seagulls, an aquatic bird. It is an aquatic bird. Embarrassed, to feel awkward. Acknowledge, accept or admit. Obsessed. Obsessed means to preoccupy or fill your mind. आप किसी चीज़ के पीछे जुनून हो जाता है जब आपको. That is called obsessed. Orchid. It's a बच्चे plant with the complex flowers. Okay. Granary is called as a storehouse जहाँ आप अपने grains को रख सकते हैं. Gory means the small facts of details, and proclaim means to announce publicly. जब आप किसी चीज़ को publicly announce करते हैं, that is called proclaim. Okay. So I hope these word meanings are all clear to you, and please complete your notebooks and you can send me at the reception so I can check them. So these are all the question answers part, and I have explained you all. Now we come to the match the words, phrases in column A with their meanings in column B. Stand up to. It means refuse to accept injustice. जब आप अपने लिए injustice means अगर आपके साथ कुछ unfair हो रहा है तो आप उसको मना कर देती है कि no, I can't take it. Stand up. You stand up to that. Oh, no, I will not take this. Hand in hand means together. इकट्ठे. Build on. It is the use as a basis for the further development. Build on means use as a basis for the further development. आगे बढ़ाना किसी चीज़ को. Granary. Granary is the storehouse of grain. Then conquered. Conquered is won, किसी चीज़ को जीतना. Then nurture. Nurture means encourage to develop. Means आप किसी को encourage कर रहे हैं आगे बढ़ने के लिए. That is called nurturing.
It is not such a good idea.
Now we come to this language part. Read the following sentences. If we are not free, no one will respect us. Now we can write this sentence using unless also in place of if as follows. Unless we are free, no one will respect us. Now here they have added unless, and if has been omitted from there. The word unless means if not. Okay. So if we are not free, no one will means if के साथ हमें no लगाना पड़ेगा sense बनाने के लिए. We can write this sentence using useless in the place of if as follows. So if we are not free means unless we are not free. no one will respect us. The word unless means if not. So now use the unless in place of if and rewrite the following sentences. I will never talk to him if he does not apologize to me. I will never talk to him unless he apologizes to me. If not खत्म हो जाएगा. If he does not, he लगेगा. I will never talk to him unless he apologizes to me. If you do not work hard, you will not get good marks. If you do not work hard, you will not get. So we will start from here. You will not get good marks unless you work hard. So this will come this way. You will start the line from this. You are not allowed to enter the hall if you don't bring your I card. Now we'll say you are not allowed to enter the hall unless you bring your I card. Is it clear? 4. If India does not stand up to the world, here world will come, L भी आएगा, no one will respect us. So, if India, so we'll start from here. No one will respect us unless India stand up to the world. WORLD. Okay. You will start the line from here. You can rewrite in the book only. दोबारा लिख लीजिए या तो इसके ऊपर लिख लीजिए छोटा छोटा करके. No one will respect us unless India stand up to the world. We will play the match on Sunday. We will play the match on Sunday if it does not rain. The question is this. So we have to change this sentence. We'll write like this. We will play the match on Sunday unless it rains. Okay? So now use if in the place of unless and rewrite the following sentences. Unless लिखा हुआ है, अब आपने if लगाना है. Unless we get up early, we will be late for match. Now हम यहाँ पे unless काट के लगाएंगे. If we does not get up early, we will be late for match. आप अनलेस काट देंगे और यहाँ लिखेंगे इफ वी डू नॉट गेट अप अर्ली वी विल बी लेट फॉर द मैच. आई विल नॉट गो फॉर अ मूवी अनलेस माई पेरेंट्स परमिट. सो आई विल नॉट गो टू द मूवी if my parents do not permit. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा do not permit. Unless the weather improves dramatically, the match will be cancelled. Unless the weather improves means यहाँ कट जाएगा. If the weather does not improves dramatically, the match will be cancelled. Means अगर weather improve नहीं हुआ dramatically तो हमारा जो मैच है वो cancel हो जाएगा.
I will give you my apple if you let me white apple. Now what is it that you will give the apple? That means Ben will give his apple to Tom. White apple.
So, 4th. Unless people take exercise, they get fat and stiff. Now we have to change it using the if. So unless will be omitted and we will use if. If the people don't take exercise, they get fat and stiff. The next word is we wouldn't be able to stay on the earth unless it kept on rotating. So we wouldn't be able to stay on earth if it does not kept on rotating. So I hope it is clear to all of you. You have to do this in your books only. Rewrite it at the small place given here, or you can write here or here. It's up to you, but you have to complete this exercise because I have done this for you. Now the next.
ध्यान से ये काम करना है.
Next is
how nicely he came.